So you want to control your Amazon Fire TV Cube with just your voice, connect it to the Alexa app, and you'll be able to open apps, play shows, and control your TV completely hands-free. So for that, first you have to open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and download the Amazon Alexa app if you don't already have it installed. So now you have to open the app and sign in with the same Amazon account that's being used on your Fire TV Cube. Then choose your profile and allow any permission needed to complete the setup. So once you are signed in, just go to the home screen and tap the device tab. So if your Fire TV Cube is already linked to your Amazon account, you may see the list there automatically. But if not, tap the plus button and choose Add Device, select TV, then choose Fire TV. So when your Fire TV Cube appears, select it and tap Continue. Next, choose the Alexa device you had like to use to control your Fire TV Cube, such as Echo speaker. If your Alexa device isn't set up yet, just connect it first and then come back to link in. So once everything is linked, you are all set. You can now use your voice command to open apps, play movies, and control your Fire TV Cube without reaching for remote. And that's it. Your Fire TV Cube is now connected to the Alexa app and ready for voice control. I hope this can help you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till then.